Learning English is very easy, but without learning its basics, it's a whole lot of story. So let's begin. English has 26 letters. This is the basic, and 5 of them are vowels. Those vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest 21 are consonants. So, vowels and consonants actually have an important role in our English language, and they are used in different sectors of grammars, and they also come in play when we make sentences. How? Well, there is this one part of grammar that is called article. Now, if your if your word has any vowel, then before that word it signifies an, and if it's a consonant, then it signifies a. So this is where the difference comes in. So this is alphabet, and then now let's start exploring word formation. How do we actually create words, right? Such as we know schools, we know colleges, we know tables, we know chairs, we know sitting. All of these are different sorts of words. These are all a part of speech, and they all have an individual role, such as we have noun, we have pronoun, we have adjective, we have verb, we have adverb, we have preposition, conjunction, and finally interjection. All these have their different emotions, their different usages. It depends. Now let's explore one by one what these are. Noun is something's name, and pronoun replaces noun. Adjective talks about their qualities, their limitations, all of these things. Adjective talks about it, modifies them. Verb describes any sort of word. An adverb describes all the things such as verb, adjective, and modifies itself. Preposition talks about any sort of place and indicates, such as I am under the table, I am above the I am sitting on my chair. So these things actually indicating where I am. Conjunction means connecting something, and interjection means our emotions, such as yay, hooray. All these things indicate interjection. So are we clear? With that said, this clears word formation. Another thing is suffix and prefix. What are these? Suffix means that sometimes we can also create words ourselves, and prefix same way, but prefix means adding just 2 words in front of a word and it changes the meaning. Just adding some words in the back of a word, that means suffix. It also changes the meaning. So these things indicate how we are processing a word, how we are creating the formation of a word. I hope it is clear to all of you guys, and in the next episode we will talk about deep how we can use pronunciations, how we can use more vocabulary, and I'll try to make it easy to you guys, and slowly we are going to enter a grammar part. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and share this video to someone who actually needs it and wants to learn more. Thank you.